2006 ABBC1 is another good problem to try. In fact, I would encourage you to try this yourself and see what you can do. Okay, when you're done, again, you're just finding the area of a region, and again, we're going to try to do it with vertical slices. That's usually easiest. My top function here is y equals natural log of x. My bottom function is y equals x minus 2. The height of my rectangles is going to be top minus bottom. So that's natural log of x minus x minus 2. Watch those parentheses again. And again, I need to find my points of intersection. So let's do that on the graphing calculator. So here's my graph, which clearly is not a very good window. So I'm going to go back and change the window. I think my x's look like they might need to go from negative 0.5 is probably okay. My x max maybe 4. For my y min, I don't really know. I'm going to try negative 2 up to maybe positive 4. That looks better. I can see both intersection points. So again, I go second calc. We'll find the intersection on the left first. That's good enough. First curve, yes. Second curve, yes. Guess, yes. And that's my intersection point. I'm going to need to store that. So I go back to the home screen. Here's x. And I'm going to store this in alpha A. Back to the graph, second point of intersection. All right, that's good enough. First curve, second curve, guess. This is my second point of intersection. So back to the home screen. There's x, and I'm going to store this one in alpha B. All right, so we'll have to write this down on the piece of paper as well. Okay, so now that we found the points of intersection, we need to show some of our work. So we found those points of intersection by solving an equation, so we need to show that. So you say natural log of x equals x minus 2. We set them equal to each other, but you can just report the answers. So x is equal to 0.15859, and you can even call this a right here if you want to. X equals 3.14619, and you can call this b if you want to. If they're well labeled, you can then use the labels later. So I think we're just about done. Our integral is going to be the height, top minus bottom, times the width, which is dx, from A to B. And all that's left is to put it in the graphing calculator and find out what it comes out to be. So I need to do the integral. So I'll do fn int math 9. I'm going from alpha A to alpha B. And I'm doing top minus bottom, which is y1 minus y2. You might want to check. Yes, y1 is natural log. That's the top. So y1 minus y2. Independent variable dx. Answer 1.949. So you can just write that down. Equals 1.949. And that's all you need to show.